Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Look at my salvia. Too much water, and this is the end result. Got to do something about it. The one in the middle, not bad. Maybe a little touch up. Just a little. The one on the right, I told you, I told you, I told you. Got an attitude. Now look at it. Looks like a mutant. Gonna have to address that real soon. But first, why don't I do a little yard work? Get things started. Don't scalp your grass. Cut in the evening, and the more frequent you cut, the healthier, greener, and stronger your lawn will look. Got the blower out. Might as well wash the windows. Told you I water at night. It helps a whole lot. So let's go ahead and trim the salvia. Wait a minute. Look at this rose bush. What in the world? This one too. Jesus Christ. My God, the third one? It's like something's eating away at him. I bet it's the sun. Too much sun. You know what? It does get too hot in this area. And I think the rose bushes are really paying the price. You know what? Let's tackle the salvia issue right now. I keep telling you guys to get a bucket for your garden tools, but pretty soon I'm going to need like a tool bag tote for this stuff. All right, got the Menards lawn bag. You know I love these bags. Not worried about this salvia or even the one in the middle, but the one on the right is somewhat embarrassing. What do you guys think? Should I add plant support to the salvia to avoid this issue? At least something better than what I had. Doesn't really bother me. I know once I cut them down, the root system will send them new energy and you'll see new growth. It's not a big deal. I told you not to scalp your grass, but in this case, I can scalp the salvia. It's not going to hurt it. Trust me, it'll grow back fuller, healthier, stronger. Don't panic, don't panic. I'm a self-proclaimed semi-professional. Let's do the one in the middle. I'm sure we'll get some good results. Okay, that's enough for this one. Didn't have to take away too much. You know, I planted this one last year and look at it. It's grown exceptionally well. You, on the other hand, are the middle child, and we will treat you as such. Marcia, Marcia, Marcia. I don't know if you guys can see it, but pollen is in the air. Every year it gets worse and worse for me. It is my kryptonite. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.